Hi, today I'm for ZTE Nubia Red Magic 6R and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first let's launch the Google application, but first you should be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data. And now let's click here on the right upper corner and tap to the settings. Then click here to Google Assistant and scroll down to the general options. Now we can see here the Google Assistant switcher, and just to turn it off we should click here once on the switcher and confirm our action by click here to turn off. And that's it. Now Google Assistant successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.